guys!
Ang tagal na namin di nag-vlog, oh. But first, this is my Mima.
This is Arella. Yeah, for today's video, I have a question for Arella so we can check how smart she is. Ito. What do you think you're going to dream about tonight? Do you dream ba?
Yeah.
Sige, sagutin mo muna yung question. Ano yung, what do you think you're going to dream about tonight? Sige, yung isang magandang dream na ine-expect mo na you dream about tonight, when you sleep tonight.
I'm hugging Jesus.
Why? Why do you want that?
Because Jesus is our Savior.
Yes, okay. Mukhang magandang dream yan, ano? O sige, tell me, when you're in front of Jesus, what will be the first thing that you will tell Him? Siyempre, hindi naman pwedeng hug lang. Ha? Diba?
Jesus, can I kiss you?
Sige, kiss mo ako. Sige. Papakisalimbawa si Jesus. Oh, what's the very important thing? Kahit hindi para sa iyo, kahit para kanino na gusto mong sabihin kay Jesus. What do you think? What's the very sige, ito na lang. What's the very important thing for you that you want to tell Jesus?
Give me luck on my exams, quiz, and my homework.
Ano po?
Give me luck on my exams and quiz.
So Jesus, always guide me every time I'm in school, especially during examination day. Okay naman yun. What else? Parang nagpe-pray ka na rin in front of Him. So, ano yung napaka-importante bagay na gusto mong sabihin sa Kanya?
Give peace and love to the whole world.
Wow, very good. That's nice. Alam mo, yun din sasabihin ko. Para, alam mo yun, para masaya ang mundo, di ba? Kapag peace and all people do is love. Well, very good naman. Ano sa tingin mo isasagot sa'yo ni Jesus?
Okay.
Siyempre, ang mga bata, alam mo ba si Jesus, ang unang pinakikinggan yan.
Wait.
Wag.
It's dirty.
Ang unang pinakikinggan yan ay ang mga kids prayer. Alam mo ba yon? Yan, oo. Kaya lagi pinakikinggan ni Jesus yun. Well, nice naman yung sasabihin niya para sa ating lahat madlang people yun, ha? It's for world's peace and love and share love with each other. Very good. Is there something else?
No more.
Okay. So, sana madream mo yan mamaya para masabi mo yan kay Jesus, no? Okay, that's good.
And every time before I go to sleep, I will imagine this. I'll pretend that Jesus is beside me. Hug me, Jesus! I always do that. I'll hug this pillow and I'll close my eyes and pretend it's Jesus.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah, thank you for answering me. And nice answer, okay? Alright, thank you for watching our video. Yeah, till next, please follow. Bye.
God bless.
Please support us.